In this video, I am going to show you the new RSI trading strategy that is just launched on TradingView, and guys, you will be definitely going to love this strategy because it's going to remove the previous RSI like we use on our TradingView, that is the relative strength index that we normally use. So instead of using the older version of RSI, I'm going to introduce the new version here, and you will get this insights about the new indicator in this video. So before I start this video, let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach. I have a 1-hour coaching program. Please find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below, and you can book your 1-hour coaching session with me. And moreover, subscribers, if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use, and it offers you a variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen. So I have given this link in the description of this video below. Okay, so guys, let's move towards our strategy, and the strategy is very simple by my favorite author, that is called RSI Exponential. When you write RSI Exponential on TradingView, then this indicator will come, that is called RSI Exponential Smoothing Expo by Zeerman, and 705 traders are using this trading strategy. Okay, so once we attach this strategy on our screen, so now you can see that in the previous RSI that we normally get it was a bit complicated, but right now you can see on the screen that how the levels are plotted on your screen, and now it's very easy for you to predict the market. Okay, so first of all, also let me tell you about my premium indicator. So if I attach my premium indicator on my chart, so you will see that this is the indicator that we launched 2 to 3 weeks ago, and my subscribers have heavily made the profits using this indicator, and you can check this indicator in by contacting on Telegram. You can contact for the lifetime version of this indicator, and I will provide you with the lifetime version. Okay, so this is my private indicator, and it provides you wonderful selling and buying signals as per the strategy. Now when the bands are gray, not to trade, and when the bands are buy, they are green, that you can trade that one. So you can contact for our private indicator in the description of the video below. There is a link of the Telegram channel. Okay, so guys, when we talk about this RSI indicator, this is quite simple. Right now, as you can see on Euro AUD, this is the 1-hour chart. So guys, it is already telling you that the market has almost reached to the oversold levels of the market. Now, instead of selling, you should be planning to take a buy position when you see a strong bullish candle that is reversing from that area. So let me give you more examples so that you can understand in a better way. So here you can see the RSI reached to the overbought levels, and you can see a bearish candle comes down, and then you can see we have a downward pattern. And guys, one more thing that you can do scalping with this thing as well, because if you are following the trend following trades, then when the candle closes below the 50 RSI, then still you have a selling chance in that case. Okay, so let me show you more. Okay, so okay, now you can see that here the candle was closed above, but we just got a couple of candles. So how we can tackle this one? I mean, if we talk about the trend, then what is the trend as per the trend line? So we are into the downward trend. So once you are into the downward trend, then whenever you see a candle that is closes below the 50 level like this, so go for the selling chances, and similarly reverse that method for the up position, because it will be going to help you a lot. Okay, so for example, look at here. We can see that the trend was going into the upward side. We have seen clearly from here that the trend is moving up. So if it closes below the 50 level, we should not plan our any kind of a sell trade. Instead, once it comes back again up above the 50 level, then you can plan your sell trade in that position. So this is the best indicator. I mean, instead of using the previous RSI, this is the kind of a top indicator that you can use for your easy trading. Okay guys, now I'm going to remove that indicator, and now I'm going to attach my premium indicator. So this is the indicator that will be shared among you privately, so you can see that it has provided us with a wonderful sell signals, and this is the no repaint indicator. Once the candle is fixed with the sell signal or buy signal, it will not be going to repaint in any case. However, you can see it has given a lot of chances, and whenever the market comes to retest the moving average, these bands, then you can still enter into the buy and sell signals. So right now, as you can see on Euro AUD, however, we have a rejection, but you can see the bands are gray, so we are not going to trade those signals from the gray bands because they will be not good for us. this is the sign of a trend reversal. Okay, so for example, look at this pattern. From green it turned into gray, so wait, and comes for the retest, and here we have a selling chance at the moment, and previously it also worked very well. So you can use this indicator on anything like gold, forex, stocks, crypto, anything, like whatever you want to trade, you can trade this indicator as well. Even it works into bank nifty. You can see it has provided us very good buying chances. Even if we go to Nasdaq, you can see buy, and you can see that was the sell and then again buy. So this indicator is doing wonders for my community, and if you want to get the lifetime license of this indicator, please contact on Telegram, or you can email on fxmentor1985@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.